You got clutch.
What's going on, people? This is your main man, Johnny Clutch Cards, aka Johnny Clutch Crypto, back again with another Vaporfy update. Today, I had a busy day running around, things like that. I come back, check my Twitter. Vaporfy posted this message here saying that they have issued new node tiers. Good morning, good afternoon, good night, everyone. As you may have probably noticed, we have been hinting at flipping the script. It is time for all of you to find out what we mean by this. New node tiers will be as follows. 1,000 to 49.99 VPMD earns 1.25%. 5,000 to 9,999 VPMD earns 1.15%. 10,000 to 19,999 VPMD earns 1.1%. Anything over 20K earns just 1%. We have decided to give back, rewarding smaller wallets, our general population, our backbone. You will be able to acquire 5 nodes with these tier options to limit the abuse of the new system. If you already have 5 nodes, you won't be able to create more with that wallet without merging. Okay? All right, so basically, if you have huge accounts, you will have to merge those accounts together. And once they're over 20K VPND, they will only earn the 1%. They won't earn the bonus, being the bonus structure. So this is kind of perfect for this video. This is why I made this video, because now, because this has happened, if we go to our nodes here, all of our nodes are 100 VPND nodes. From the initial release. We currently have 2235 in VPND rewards that we haven't collected anything because we've been in Diamond Hands level 3 of 3 since forever. Like, we haven't collected any VPND out of here. So what we're going to do today is we're going to reconstitute our nodes properly. So we have 51 nodes, which means that we can do the 5 nodes for 5,000, right? And as you can see here, 50.63 VPND, the rewards here, we're all in 1.4 percent mode. So what we're gonna do here is to claim first. We're gonna claim first. So I'm gonna show you guys how to claim your VPND. Make sure I can see this whole page right quick. Sheesh. All right. It's just not behaving. All right, cool. So I'm going to make sure that we can claim this. We're going to go ahead and claim. This is our first time claiming. So really, we're not going to worry about the individual nodes, even though you can come here and claim just on this individual node, right? Or we can compound, where we push these rewards into the amount of the node. But what we're going to do here, we're going to do a claim all. We're just going to claim everything across our nodes. All right, we're going to have to pay. Click that. Now we're going to pull this out. So we click the claim button. We're then prompted by MetaMask to pay our AVAX gas fee. We click OK, and now that transaction is processing. All right, so we cashed out. You see that the VPND dumped out. And that's all you got to do to claim. That's all you got to do. Click the claim button, pay your AVAX gas fee, boom, drops them out. Now we can see, okay, so they did tax us coming out. So now we have, 2,000 VPND. Okay, so we got 2,013 VPND. All right, perfectly fine. Now that we cleared these out, we're going to combine we're going to do a merge. So now the next piece is no more Diamond Hands mode. So we're going to merge our nodes. Make sure you claim and compound. Okay, merging, or you will lose your rewards. Your Diamond Hands bonus will be reset, and 10 VPND fee applies. Oh, Jesus. Okay. Oh man, this is gonna be a pain in the wazoo, looks like. All right, so we're gonna source node, destination node. Oh man, this is going to, okay. So I can't merge multiple nodes together. It's going to charge me 10 VPND per merge. So that's going to be 10. I got to put 10 nodes together to get to 1,000. So, man, and if I got to step them through like this, okay, let's do one node. All right, so now it's charging me an AVAX fee once I click merge. So now we paid the AVAX fee. And did it take the VPND as a tax? No, it did not take the VPND. Okay, that's odd. All right, so but you can see here number 2 did become 200. Oh man, I thought merge nodes was gonna allow me to do a little bit more than just one node into another node. Like, so, but we're gonna go ahead and click through and at least do one like this. It's costing 0.0022 AVAX per node per merge. So did that one. Now we're gonna go back here and check our VPND. Is still 2013 VPND. But it is tagging up our AVAX. Goodness. All right, so basically this is going to be a pain in the wazoo, basically. I was thinking I was going to be able to roll this together, but let's see, man. This is so basically you select one node, and basically it's going to merge those two nodes together. So this is the destination node, so it's going to take 3, and it's rolling 3 into 4. If I hadn't explained that already, so we are merging. I don't know if I have enough AVAX, so we're probably just going to end up doing one of these all the way up. Oh no, that's killing my AVAX, bro. All right, so not bad. All right, so we got it up to 400. We really need to do this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more times in order to get these 10 nodes into a single node, which is deposit rename. So we'll see what we do there, but you can kind of get the gist of it. It's a 1-to-1 merge. It merged 2 nodes. I wonder if they have something on the roadmap where you can do multiple nodes, where you can select 5 or 6 or 10 nodes and just merge those nodes into one node instead of getting taxed like this. So hopefully if you guys see this, you'll be like, look, I got to fix this right here. I need to be able to put more than one node, more than just merge one node into another. I need to be able to select multiple nodes and make them into a single node. So that would be perfect, because really it killed my AVAX, because I had maybe like 0.2 AVAX, and just those few merges along with the claim kind of knocked me down pretty quickly. Okay, so with that being said, I hope this helps everybody. I hope this helps if you had those questions about claiming or merging nodes. That's pretty much how it goes. You click the button, you pay the AVAX, your AVAX gas, and then it puts them together for you. It puts those 2 nodes together. So it's only a 1-to-1 merge currently, not like a 5-to-1 or a 6-to-1 or whatever to 1. So hopefully I'll fix that going forward. You'll be able to set multiple nodes and just merge those nodes together as one, because that's what I kind of need to happen here. Otherwise, it's going to cost me a lot of avax. Well, not a lot, but just more avax than I would like to spend to get it. So basically, I'll probably have to convert some of my profits to avax and then see what I can do going forward. And actually, might as well just go ahead and do that while we're here. Let's go to Trader Joe. I'm going to go to Trader Joe here. You can see the amount of AVAX that we have here. We have 0.01 AVAX. So we're going to take our VPND. I'm going to click that to max. We're going to turn that $176. So it's a little bit low. I'm going to turn it to AVAX. We only need one AVAX, to be honest. So we're going to spend that 800 there. Convert that so we can have one AVAX here. Pay our gas. And we'll see the conversion here. Click in on the page here. Just a little bonus converting your VPND, so once you cash out, then, let's say you want to turn it into AVAX. Now I got one AVAX. I could take that one AVAX and I could send it from my wallet to my Coinbase or my crypto.com or my FTX .us. So tons of options there. Anyway, a little bit extended video. Showed you guys how to cash out your VPND when you do get there. We also went over merging our nodes. And we pulled out a feature that, maybe that they'll add in the future, which is where you can take multiple nodes instead of a one-to-one node merge. So I hope this is helpful. If you have any questions or you just want to let me know if you're in Vaporfy or some other node protocol, because there seems to be a lot of those. Like nodes are like the new DAO, right? And with everything that happened with Time Wonderland recently, and the stuff that's going on with Ohm quietly has just like kind of all the air fell out. I think Ohm will come back later, just because there hasn't been a lot of drama there. It just has been people taking that. Taking their assets out because we're in somewhat of a bear market, right? We're in somewhat of a bear market, so people are kind of moving their money around and things of that nature. And so a lot of the whales have moved out of it. Used to be like a $3 billion proposition. Now it's only like 600 million or 500 million. At any rate, I'll stop going on and on. I'm your main man, Johnny Clutch Cards, aka Johnny Clutch Crypto. As always, I'm for the people, by the people. You only got me and the Constitution. Remember that.